Hey guys, this is quick oil and brake. Today I'm gonna show you how to check the battery life, the battery amperes with this small, very good device. This is Foxwell. It's not very expensive. We have to connect one side on the positive and one's red with the positive and one with negative, and it's right turn on. It's showing a 10.81. We have to press here, enter. Battery test in vehicle. It's a regular battery. We're gonna check as cold cranking amperes. This is a 650 cold cranking amperes. It's already showing 650. We're gonna enter and it will shows okay. The battery is weak. The volts shows 10.79, which is not good. It's supposed to be 12 point something above, 12 point above, and measured cranking cold amperes 306 is supposed to be more than 650. Alright, this is the way you can diagnose with the Foxwell your battery. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please don't forget to like my video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.